My name is Diego Senguin. I am the global CTO for Cosentino. I work in Cosentino for the last 5 years, and I've been a Cisco customer for the last 4 years. We were using Umbrella in Cosentino for the last 4 years. We start with the standard version of Umbrella, and we upgrade to the Umbrella SIG version last year. Well, Cosentino is a very big company with presence in more than 110 countries in the world. Okay? And we need a standard solution to provide security to our users. So we need something easy to deploy, integrated with our solution, and after researching on the market, Umbrella was the best solution for us. Actually, Umbrella was an easy solution to deploy. We have all our SD-WAN based on Meraki products, so the integration between Umbrella and Meraki is very, very simple and easy to deploy. Actually, with this combination, we start the first implementation of SASE solutions in the organization. And with this solution, Umbrella plus Meraki, we can deploy new offices in less than 30 days, compared with 5-6 months that used to be before. So actually improve our deployment speed incredible. For me, the most valuable for Umbrella now is the ability to protect my users everywhere, even if they are working in the office, working from home, with this new work model that we have in the world. And having a solution that integrates all the security in one product, it makes our life much easier. You know? As I said before, just deploying the product and protect all the users. I would say Umbrella improves especially the user perception of the security. It's pretty transparent for them to use the solution, and they are always protected. So in terms of speed and user experience, I think it's a great solution for the users. And as I said before, the deployment time, that's critical for us. I think Umbrella is a great product for that because, as I said before, it's a standard solution. So I can have the same solution across the organization, and it's based on standards, and I think it's a solution that we can provide the same security level to every user in the organization. Oh yes, because as I explained before, it's a standard solution. We just deploy the solution, and we don't need to care about security anymore in the place. We have a standard solution that is easy to deploy, is integrated with our infrastructure solution, so it makes our life much easier in this area. Oh, yes, because as I explained before, we use Umbrella to protect people when they are working in our office, inside our network, when they are working from home. So on that solution, we cover all our security needs in terms of navigation and security. Well, with Umbrella, no applications, but we get rid of most of the physical firewalls that we have around the world. Okay, and we change the solution for a SASE solution that, as I explained before, it make very easy for us to deploy. I think Umbrella have a very good footprint of connections around the world, but I think they continue to need improving and growing in that area. And another improvement point is the limitation of the bandwidth that you can use in the connectors. Okay, so I think Umbrella need to continue growing in that to be a product that we can apply in real big offices that we have. Yeah. I think one of the key points for when we made the decision, it was the footprint. It was very similar to Cosentino footprint around the world, and the user perception of the service, it was more friendly to the users than other solutions. I think it's pretty standard system on the market. I don't have any special, requirement there. I think it's okay. Return in security is hard to measure. I am sure it is return. but I think it's very, very hard to measure. We never measure the return of this implementation. I think it's a very good support. We have the standard support for the products, and actually we have an extra support layer that we hire directly to Cisco, and we are very happy with the service so far. Between 8 and 9. Yeah. Well, there are points of improvement. For example, the RMA process, I will improve that process. There are small things that can be improved, but in general, I'm pretty happy with the service. I think it's pretty stable. We have some problems as every single product, especially with the new connectors, and we are experiencing now some small problem disconnections or issues, but most of the time it's a stable solution. As I said before, it's pretty scalable right now, but we need to continue growing in terms of connection points and bandwidth. Yeah, I will set to be sure that they match their footprint of the organization, of the company, with the umbrella footprint. That for me is the key factor to have a product that works well for the organization. We're in 9. Yeah, and especially for what I said before, is to protect my users everywhere, and the user perception or the user experience is very good with this product.